And if you're looking to start a career as a beekeeper, stay tuned. Hey dreamers, here we are at Mornington Peninsula at Pure Peninsula Honey. I'm here with the founder, John, and we're gonna learn what a career looks like as a beekeeper. Now, John, what is Pure Peninsula Honey?
Pure Peninsula Honey is basically my life. I started as a hobby. I like bees, or it came about the gardening, and I had a hive in a tree that's long gone now, in a tree hollow. We wanted to get it out into a bee box because I always thought, oh, it's great to have honey, make your own honey, put it on pancakes, cook with it and all this sort of stuff, because that's my other passion in, getting into the kitchen. And my background is in meat, small goods. So I love food. And yeah, that's how I started.
Wonderful, okay.
Yep.
And so what sort of products do you have here at Pure Peninsula Honey?
We basically, any honey that you can think about. We even get honey in from friends, like in Tasmania, we got leatherwood honey. Western Australia, we got famous Jarrah honey. And then we produce Manuka honey. There's Manuka bushes I planted around the trees here.
Right.
And obviously it's very famous. New Zealand made it popular, but in Australia, we got 90 species of different Manuka.
Wow.
The potential producing Manuka honey in Australia, it's just like the lambs,
Right.
New Zealand are famous for lambs.
Right.
And I think Australia would have a few more.
Right. Oh, we've got more Manuka here.
We have a lot more Manuka here.
Right.
But we're just too lazy to promote it.
Wow.
Nobody, has to.
Okay. And so how many bees actually reside on the property?
Because we have the extraction shed here, that attracts bees from everywhere. We don't want to keep bees here.
Okay.
Because they get drawn into it, and as soon as they land in the honey, they get stuck there.
Right.
So we have one in the shop in a glass hive for people to see how it all works. Mm-hmm. And we can see that later, how they bring in pollen in and everything like that.
Wonderful.
And our bees are always on the move, chasing blossoms from different areas. And because we specialise in all different honey flavours, say orange blossom, that comes from citrus orchard right north up Mildura Way.
Wow.
And then we get river red gum all along the different rivers. The grampians, we get the Manuka honey from. So the bees are always on the move, and we are always searching for more blossom. And it's always start, finish, and then bees go into the truck at night time and we shift.
There you go. Mm. And a tricky question, how many times have you been stung?
Every time I play with bees, I get stung. It's meant to be good for arthritis, so I get them on my fingers. There's no swelling with me because I basically have bee venom in my blood.
Right.
It's meant to be good for you. Some Asian countries collect it and, inject people for arthritis and other ailments.
Wow, okay. All right, guys, in the next segment, we're going to learn what a career looks like as a beekeeper.